In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to add Notion widgets to your desktop, 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted your Notion dashboard to feel more alive, with clocks, calendars, quotes, or a simple weather panel, widgets are the way to go. The process is quick, and once you've done it once, you can repeat it for any widget you like. First, start by choosing a widget service. These are websites that let you design a small embeddable panel and then give you a link you can drop into Notion. Popular options include services that offer clocks, progress bars, countdowns, and even Spotify or habit trackers. Pick one that matches your style and needs, and look for customization options like colors, fonts, dark mode support, and time zone settings so the widget fits your workspace. Next, follow that service's instructions to build the widget. This usually means selecting a widget type, styling it, and setting preferences. When you're done, the service will provide a unique embed link or URL. Copy that link. A quick tip, make sure the widget is set to be publicly accessible or shared in a way that Notion can load it. If you see options like auto refresh or update interval, choose what makes sense for your use case. Now open the Notion page where you want the widget to live. This could be your main dashboard, a project hub, or a daily planner. Make sure you're in edit mode on that page so you can add blocks. In the page, type/embed, then select the embed option from the menu that appears. This brings up a field where you can paste the link you copied from the widget service, and click embed link. Notion will fetch a preview and place the widget on the page. If you get an error, double check that you copied the correct URL and that the widget is allowed to be embedded. Some services also offer an iframe code. You only need the shareable URL for Notion. Finally, resize the widget so it looks right. Hover over the bottom right corner of the widget until you see the resize handle, then click and drag to adjust the height. You can also drag the block to position it on the page or place it in a column layout for a cleaner dashboard. If your theme switches between light and dark, confirm the widget still looks good in both. That's it. You've added a Notion widget, and you can repeat the same steps for as many widgets as you want to create a focused, beautiful workspace.